Hey everyone, hope y'all are doing well. Hope everyone's staying safe out there. So I've got here a American 1100 clone that is made by Club, the company that makes those steering wheel locks. And I've got a few of those, but I don't really have a wide enough camera setup to go ahead and show the whole thing. I could kind of maybe just show the lock, but yeah, I think I'm gonna wait on that till I get a better setup. So it's got an American style keyway, American style keys, as you could see, but it does not seem to have serrated drivers. But it does seem to have some pretty decent spool pins. Alright. That was quick. So let's go ahead and get this thing gutted here. I have a key, so I'll lock it back up. Not key retaining, obviously. What is... Oh, piece of a pick I was taking apart, or reshaping. Come on out of there. There we go. Alright, looks like a standard American style core. Oops, if I take the C-clip off of there, doesn't it? There we go. Okay. Oh, only a 5-pin core. So you don't have the ability to put a 6th pin in this one. I think I'm gonna get some smaller tweezers for this. Yeah, those ought to work. Standard in 1. Standard in 2. Spool in 3. Spool in 4. And spool in 5, just like I thought it was gonna be. Alright, and all the springs appear to be the same. Nothing special there. So let's go ahead and get a close-up on the pins here. The spools aren't that deep, but honestly, when picking the lock, they felt a lot deeper. I got a really deep false set, and they didn't want to counter rotate. Let's see, I don't think there's any counter milling. Maybe I'm wrong. Nope, that's just an artifact. Okay, there's a line down there in the first pin chamber that looks like counter milling, but I think it's just a artifact of the pins being at one place for so long. Let's see if you can see it. There you go. You see that there? Kind of looks like it's counter milled in that first chamber, but it is not. But anyway, there you are. So it's a Club 1100. Not quite as good as the American locks, but at least it's got a couple spool pins in it and they work pretty well. But anyway, there you are. Have a good one, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.